What's going on, guys? Back here again with another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Kaimana Beach. Last video I took you guys to Coco Head and I showed you what that was like. Today I'm gonna show you what the beach is like. It's a beautiful Sunday, so we're gonna have a beautiful flight. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm about to fly over Kaimana Beach. The only thing is, instead of actually taking off from the beach, I walked across the street and I'm over here at Kapilani Park because there's just a lot more space and a lot less people here. So no one's gonna be like in my face about the drone and all that. It's a lot chiller out here. So I'm about to take off right now. You guys are about to enjoy the flight. Let's get to it. Alright guys, that wraps up today's video. As you just saw, we just had a nice, beautiful flight. As you've seen, it's kind of partly cloudy, but when the sun is shining, it's shining, baby. So you see, I just did a quick flight, nothing too crazy. That hotel that you guys saw over there is one of the famous hotels. I'll put a little picture of it in the description right here somewhere. So you guys can see why I filmed that specific hotel. It's pretty famous out here. Plus they have a good breakfast, food, lunch, dinner, all that. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Me and my girlfriend, we're having a nice time at the park. She just went to the beach. I'm over here. We're about to meet up. Then we're about to bounce. I'm gonna get home and I'm gonna edit this video so you guys can watch it. Yeah guys, if you like what you saw, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know where else I should fly out here. Let me know what else we should do. All right, till next time, catch you guys in the next episode. See you.